Hello hookers and welcome to Inspired by a Smile. My name is Christy and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a fertile egg in the female. No other way to say that. Anyways, if you have a 4mm hook and some yarn, let's get started. I got my hook and my middle color is going to be pink, light pink. So you're going to do a chain of 4. And then join it at the end with a slip stitch. And then another one. And then you're going to do 10 half double crochet in the circle. While you're doing that, I would like to thank everyone for subscribing so far. I do appreciate it. If you haven't yet, do make sure that you subscribe so that you don't miss any videos, and make sure all the notifications are on. So this egg, basically I made it so that you could put it in the middle of the sperm granny square if you were making the spermapleeks. It really goes awesome with that. I had the idea of making it after making that tutorial, so I decided to do it as well. I have it all sewn together now too, and it's looking good. Sorry about that. Just make sure you have 10 half double crochet in your magic circle. Then you can go in the first one of the row and do a slip stitch. I was about to cut here and I actually decided to do one more row. So just do another slip stitch and do 2 half double crochet in the same stitch. And then 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, and then 2 in the same stitch. You want to repeat that all the way around until you get back to the beginning of that row. And then I'm going to switch colors for the trimming of it. It's not a very big egg. I made these appliques as well to match up if you guys are making the granny squares that I made, the penis and the boobs that I plan on having on here. It will go nicely with those. Or on their own, whatever you decide to do with it. I love all the uniqueness of the stuff made with granny squares. So the last one will be 2 half double crochets in the same stitch, and then you're going to join at the top with a slip stitch. And then I'm switching dark pink, and I'm going to do a row of single crochet next, just to do around the egg before I sew a little happy face on her. So after switching colors, do a slip stitch. And you're going to do a single crochet in the next two stitches. So 1 and then 1. And then in the next one, you're going to do 2 in the same stitch. And you want to repeat that all the way around. Sorry about that. So 1, 1, 2, and then 1, 1, 2, and that's all the way around. It's going to get back to the end of that row. Alright, done that round. So I'm just going to slip stitch in the top of the stitch. Leave enough of a tail so you can sew that onto your granny square after. And I'm just going to grab, after fastening this off, I'm just going to grab my needle and some black yarn and quickly sew up a cute little face on here. I have it knotted a couple times. And you go through the back. I'm going to start with the smiley face. And then just do two cute little button eyes, basically with the yarn. Alright, so we're just going to fix this eye and then we're almost done with the face. Just make sure you take your time and your face is even. No need to rush. And just go in the back of a stitch. And you can sew through a couple times and then just fasten that off, and it's ready to sew onto your granny square. Mine's going to be going on with my sperm that I have made, which are also in another tutorial. Just to show, you put it right in the middle. And if you have one or more sperm, you can put it around. So there's like sewing wherever you would like. Go there. Or even down in the corner. Swimming down and attacking at it. Either way, awesome job, guys.